Assalamu alaikum. This is AR Mahmood. Welcome to trading tutorial video. Today I'm gonna showing you how to pick RSI 30 from your targeted watch list in ThinkorSwim. So I'm in scan option of ThinkorSwim. I hit here and then I'm gonna put my condition. So add filter, choose study, and you can see here study option. So I'm gonna hit here and choose custom. So you need to put your condition in your custom section. So hit edit button and put here study and search RSI, choose RSI, and now time to put your condition. RSI is less than or equal to, that's mean your RSI 30 or less than that. So I pick is less than or equal to and put condition value and 30, RSI 30, and how many candles within you want this condition. I'm gonna put three because sometime it hit too fast and it's difficult to get that. So if you put 3, that's mean within 3 candle if hit this condition you will get in your result list. So save this one and okay. So now time to put your watch list, which watch list from you will get this result. So you can see here category. So if you put category all symbols, all stocks, all indices, all futures, so you will get all you can choose any of them from here. And if you choose personal, so you will get your watch list. If you put public, any of them from here, you will get different public list. So I'm gonna choose S&P 500, and you can choose here any time frame. So if you put daily time frame, so that's mean you can get swing result. If you put 5 minutes or less than that or more than that, you can choose whatever time frame you want. I'm gonna choose 5 minutes. So let's scan this one, and if you put lower than daily time frame, you can see here extension extra button. That's mean this is aftermarket and pre-market option. So if you mark it, you will get result from aftermarket, pre-market. I like to mark here. So scan this one, you will get the result. This is 50 stocks list page. So that's mean this page you can get highest 50 stocks list. So you can see here the result. So if you want this one, you can save in your watch list. So hit here and save scan query. So if you hit here, you can see S&P 500 RSI 35 minutes. So save this one. I already saved this one, so it's ask me again. So you can see here, look. So it will update when it meet and when it exit from your condition. This one your watch list, and if you want, you can share this link or scan system. So you can share option. You have to hit share option, and you have to put your name, which name you like to share with your friends and family. So you can put your wish name. So AR Mahmood RSI 30 5 minutes. So if you hit share button, you will see here link. So if you scan this, if you import this link to your system, you will get exact same system. So how to you import in your system this copy this link? So if you go to setup option and open shared item, you will paste here your link and then import it. You will get same result in your watch list. So when you want, you can just hit here your watch list and you'll get the results like this. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please like my video, share with your friends and family, and please subscribe my channel, as I can I can give you like this type video. Thank you very much.